see this video, make sure that you come to the kick.com/thisname right here in the video. Real easy for you. All you got to do is find me on Kick. Come sit down on the couch with the Forever Couch Gang. All right. We're only streaming on Kick right now, but very, 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 very soon we are going to be streaming on all platforms simultaneously, all right? Because I am going to go to all of these platforms and I am going to show all of these people, literally every single content creator right now that is not the XQCs, that are not the Aiden Rosses, that don't know the secrets, that don't understand the things that they don't understand, right? I'm not a big streamer. I'm never going to ever claim to be one, but I am going to show you exactly what the big streamers do to make their money, just like I am, all right? I'm going to show you how you can turn your small stream into a profitable business, all right? Dead serious.